Hi, I just wanted to share about the Hyland's Cough and Cold. I have used this for my kids for a little while now and I absolutely love it. I love that these have different homeopathic remedies in it, especially when my kids have a harder time telling me what's wrong or what hurts. When they're sick and it's hard to kind of get a good idea of exactly what's going on. I love that these have the different remedies. I also love that they're super easy. There's the daytime and the nighttime, so I can just grab one and go. It comes with the dosing cups on it and it is clear. There's no added dyes and it's easy to administer. And so if you're looking for something that has homeopathic remedies in it to use for your family, I would recommend this product. Thank you.